Okay, next example, we have a water closet, shower, and kitchen sink, all being wet vented through a lavatory. So we might have these washroom fixtures on one side of the wall, kitchen sink on the other side of a wall. We're going to pick it up on this wet vent as well. They all separately connect to the wet vent, nothing symmetrically connected with the water closet. So let's see how that affects the size here. Here's all their naming. Got trap arms for all 4 fixtures. And again, you can identify that fixtures are wet vented when they don't have their own vent on their trap arm. So directly connected to this soiler waste pipe, we must have a wet vent. So lavatory, 1 fixed unit. Kitchen sink, 1.5 we'll go 1.5. 1.5 for the 1.5 shower, and 4 fixed units for the flush tank. Okay, draining through our branch down here, we have 4, 7, 8 fixed units in total. First, we're going to size our wet vent here. And again, our wet vent originates at this highest trap arm connection and terminates down at the water closet connection. So in this entire section here is our wet vent for all these fixtures. The total load that is draining into the wet vent, other than the most downstream fitting, the water closet, is 4 fixed units, and we are serving water closets. So we're in this column. We've exceeded 3, but we haven't exceeded 8, so we can look at that horizontal column, and that's going to require a 3-inch wet vent. So 3 inches is the size of our branch wet vent here, right from the dry vent down to the water closet, 3-inch. Clean out would be 3 inches as well. And for the branch, again, branch table would say maybe 2.5 inch for 12 fixed units, but of course we know we have a 3-inch wet vent upstream, we have a 3-inch trap arm to connect, so 3-inch minimum for our branch and 3-inch wet vent